My video guide is about getting rid of the ransomware called CookiesHelper. This is the ransomware that may attack Windows files and other documents, for instance, pictures, music, documents, video files. My video is only for educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware, and I am not promoting this ransomware. In my video, I will show you the negative impact of the ransomware, and I will give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover your files, even though I cannot guarantee that I will help you to do that. But I will try. Before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open your data, your files, without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this CookiesHelper ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the system. So then, very soon, users may realize that they can no longer access the data. The ransomware encrypts files and damages the files essentially. So these are the results of the ransomware's attack. You try to open the specific file and the message comes up that Windows cannot open this file with this CookiesHelper extension. The same applies to all other files. They are no longer accessible. Then the ransomware reveals a special ransom note. It tells its victims to pay a special ransom. However, paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't pay it and don't waste your money. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner, which you may get on the page combocleaner.com. Use a special green download Combo Cleaner button. Download the software and start examining the computer. So Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. You need to click on the Start Scan button and the software will first of all update its anti-malware database. Definitely this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So after the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, software begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats. You will be able to know their exact locations. Some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to upgrade to Premium. You can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. Speaking about file decryption, you can find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data. So once again, read the description to the video, find a special link, and it will tell you how to possibly recover your data. Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files. Its anti-ransomware feature helps to remove the ransomware and to protect the data in the future.